Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you software that help you to auto comment on Facebook group. So this is my software that I use. First, I have account management. This function will help you to add and manage multiple Facebook accounts. To auto comment on Facebook group, you need a content. So I will go to content management. This function will help you to add your content with image and video that you want. Here you can add the content here and choose your image or video by pressing this button. After once you have content, I will go to comment function. Here you can see I have many options here like comment by keyword, like comment, and comment is story. So I will choose a comment. To auto comment first, I will choose the account I want to go comment. In general configuration, it will be between two actions. I will set up to 5 to 10 seconds. Next, in content configuration, you can choose available content or use CKI or import your file. So I will choose available content. Next, I will select my content. I already add in my content management. So I will reset. You can choose allow duplicate content between account or allow duplicate content within action. In comment configuration, you can choose comment by profile, by group you already joined, by group ID list, by bot ID list, or by rules. So I will choose by group ID. So I will enter my group ID list. I already enter. So next I will press save. Next, I will enter a number of posts and number of account with comment. Here. Next, you can choose automatically join group if you not join it. Or you can choose no duplicate comment on ID group or delete group after successful comment. Or only comment on bot you content by keyword. Or not duplicate post comment group in account. After that, you can choose the really emotion that you want. Here, any emotion that you want. Okay, after everything set up, I will press start and let software work. You can see the process in here. So you can see the software that already comments successful. After comment successful, you can go to comment story. If you have all the link that you already comment, you can copy it. And go to comment to check. And go to here you can see I already comment here. So basically I just show you a software that help you to auto comment on Facebook group. If you need more information, please contact me on my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for Pro 2 channel.